Okay, welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to export your file as a DXF so that the CNC machine can read that, and how to go ahead and submit that file for a review. So what I want to do is I want to grab my pick tool and I want to draw my selection box around what I want to submit. Okay, I do this just in case you have some other drawings outside that paper space. So just make sure that on that piece of paper is everything that you want. There's nothing extra that's on there. If there is, just go ahead and delete that. So now that I have everything selected, what I want to do is go up to the File menu, and I'm going to go down to Export. Okay, once I'm on Export, I'm just going to go ahead and click on that. Now what I want to do is I do want to export this to my H drive. So again, make sure you have your H drive selected. If it's not selected, make sure you select that H drive. It's going to be extremely important to know where you're exporting this file to. So I'm going to go ahead and export this to my H drive. I'm going to double check to make sure that I have it named correctly. So first initial, last name, followed by P and your class period, and then CNC nameplate. I have 2021 after mine just because it's easier for me to track what I'm doing, because I have a lot of these files. You don't have to have the 2021 after yours. Then what you're going to do is go down here to Save as Type, and I'm going to click on this drop down. And what I want to do is I want to scroll through this list until I find this DXF-AutoCAD, and I want to select that. That's going to allow me to save this as a DXF file. Then I'm going to go and make sure that I have selected only checked off. That's going to only export what I have selected. And then I'm going to go ahead and click Export. It's going to give me this little pop-up window here. It should be set and ready to go, but just double check. Make sure that it has export version, AutoCAD 2008 to 2013. That will be fine. Make sure the units are inches. Export text as curves. Alright, and then these two down here we really don't have to worry about, but just make sure that they match up with what I have here. And then just go ahead and click OK. It's going to take a couple seconds, and then we'll go ahead and export. So now let's focus on how do I submit this file. So you're going to go into Schoology and you're going to open up the CNC nameplate assignment. Obviously this is not the CNC nameplate assignment. This is just an assignment that I'm a student of. So you're just going to go ahead and click on Submit Assignment. That's going to open up a upload window. You're going to click on this little button here that says File. I'm going to go ahead and select that. Now what I'm going to do is go to my H drive, and I need to find my nameplate. Okay, so one of the best ways that I've found to find that is just go over here to Date Modified, and if I select that, it's going to sort it by my most recent to my oldest. And you could see that my nameplate is right up here. Make sure it has this .dxf at the end. I'm going to click on that to select it. I'm going to click Open. Make sure it fully loads and it says complete. And I'm just going to go ahead and click the Submit button. Make sure the loading is finished and it shows up that you have submitted the assignment. So just as a note, if I do end up sending this back to you and it needs some corrections, make those changes. You do have to re-export that and then just click Resubmit Assignment. That's it. Thanks a lot.